Super Dexter. As it goes faster, these are a 3-cylinder tractor. And now we've got Murray Top with his B250 International. Another English built tractor. And the holder, as it goes faster here, it's diesel powered, fully articulated, and a great performing little machine is the holder. This one is a Massey Ferguson 35X industrial, part of the Paul Robbins collection.
This one, no,
Same as the next one, solid driving, which is a 135.
A holder, yeah. The wheels were in the other way, close, so you could go up the middle. Yeah. Tip over.
And now we've got another industrial. This is the 35 model as it goes faster. Not the X, the model before it. Now we've got Ken Brown. And Ken's got his little TEA Fergie, the TEA 20.
Yeah.
Ken hails from the Caboose area, along with Peter Phillips here, who has this 1224 hard par. Peter's a regular attender to rallies, and when he rebuilds the tractor, he does a very, very good job of it. Brent Barbara, ladies and gentlemen, with another F14, F12. F12 as it goes faster, tractor shaped back from the late 20s. Little 4-cylinder and the first movement into the Farm All style tractor. Now this one is the Alice Chalmers, the what was it, WFE I think. I thought it was the WC, but anyway, that's the Alice Chalmers. Now we're going to 135. As it goes past, these are 3-cylinder engines in these. Darren Hoskins with his John Deere 60, 1954 model. Now we've got the Massey Harris Tony, 1948, belongs to the Hoskins family as well. This is another one, this is the VA8 Kate, 1972. And another one of the Hoskins family, Joe bringing up the rear, and this is the John Deere Model 7. And whilst the John Deere's going past, this year is the 175th year of John Deere manufacture. David Brown 990, systematic. These tractors were built in the Melbourne Works in the UK. And one of the bigger ones of the David Brown tractor. Now we've got the BMB President powered by a 4-cylinder Morris 8-horsepower engine. Now we've got Gary with his Farm All F14. Another Howard 2000, goes fast and deal. All these little tractors are gaining popularity. They're quite easy to take to rally. Now we've got Graham Barbler with the Farm All AM. Beautiful job there in the restoration of his tractor. Now we've got Jim Peaceman. Jim has his, well it is a TD5 International set up with the rubber tyres and the track. Jim was in the forestry business, or sawmilling business, and as a result the tractor they use. Righto, this is a D4, would be about a 7-year series, and they do a lot of great work for not only for the rural industry but for the road building as well. Jeff Barbler with a E2017 Forza with a P6 powered crawler. One of Matt Lonsdale's, I think it might be a V414 at the moment. And now we've got another TEA Fergie, petrol powered.
Ronnie's tractor.
Yeah.
Out in the middle there.
Oh, yeah.
Now we've got another, would have been a, no, it's not a grain and gold, it's a Ferguson. It's the Ferguson 35, it's the very first one of them.
What are they doing there?
French.
Yeah.
Metal powered.
Polythene pipe.
Now we've got
Yeah.
the Ford Ferguson. With the V8 flathead motor.
A lot of work in that.
Yeah.
Steady on, Charlie, steady on. Charlie Mitchell with the Chamberlain. With the Chamberlain Countryman. Of John O'Brien.
Flathead.
And now we've got the Fortune Power Major. If it goes past the 10, no, I'm sorry, this is the Fortune Farm Major.
Kingaroy.
4 diesel. If it goes past.
No?
And now we've got the same here. This is the Caterpillar 60. Driven by Debbie today. And part of the McKnight family collection, and after the McKnight is on the passenger station having a day out and enjoying a day with
Dino.
the sun and doing it all. And he has a great love of these
PDO.
tractors.
Off the PTO.